Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota wildlife law attorney. Since prehistoric times, there have been conflicts between the hunters and the gatherers. It's no different in today's world, even here in Minnesota. The hunter wants access to land where he can hunt and pursue game animals. On the other hand, the farmer wants to protect his crops and his farm animals. In fact, for over 100 years, there have been state laws on the books for ways in which hunters are allowed to enter private lands for hunting purposes. Well, I've worked for over 40 years on hunter trespass issues, first as an attorney for the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources and later as a state legislator. As a state legislator, I saw repeated attempts to change this law in virtually every session of the legislature. The result is that the law is essentially a patchwork of changes over the years. Believe me, the laws are now quite complicated. Hunters must be aware that the consequences for violating hunter trespass laws can be severe. A conviction can carry heavy fines and possible jail time of up to a year. On top of that, there can be additional civil penalties and restitution fines for the hunter. Even more significant for many hunters is that the hunter trespass conviction can prevent the hunter from hunting any big game or small game for up to 2 years after the conviction. On top of that, a conviction of hunter trespass in Minnesota can prevent the hunter from getting a license in the other 37 states that are members of the Interstate Wildlife Compact. This can mean that a hunter who is found guilty in Minnesota may be kept from mule deer hunting in Montana, elk hunting in Colorado, or similar hunting in any of the other Interstate Wildlife Compact states. As you can see, there can be a lot at stake in a hunter trespass conviction. The hunter trespass law provides a number of different categories of violations. These can include trespass violations on agricultural land for which no signs are posted, and there's also other categories for particular lands that must be posted for no trespassing. What's more, there are certain exceptions permitted when a hunter is pursuing wounded game or attempting to retrieve his hunting dog. When I talked to one hunter a few years ago, he joked that maybe a hunter should have his lawyer out in the field with him to be sure he doesn't violate the trespass law. Well, I don't think that things have gotten that bad. I cannot emphasize strongly enough that if you get a ticket for hunter trespass, you should consult with the qualified attorney about the facts of your case and the potential legal consequences. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota wildlife law attorney. If you're facing a hunter trespass charge, I can help. Call me toll-free from anywhere in Minnesota or across the country at 1-888-910-5297 for a free, no-obligation consultation. I wish you good hunting and have a great day.